the smartest sensor you'll ever own. Comfort, savings, and security in one. Tired of waking up sweating or shivering? The Ecobee SmartSensor 2-pack fixes that by making every room the perfect temperature, not just the one where your thermostat lives. These wireless genius sensors detect motion and temperature changes, telling your Ecobee thermostat to adjust automatically. Whether you're binge-watching in the living room or catching Z's in your bedroom, your comfort follows you. No more suffering in one-size-fits-all climate control. Just smart, customized coziness for every space. Who needs to heat or cool an empty house? Not you. SmartSensor knows when you're home or away and adjusts the temperature to save energy. That means lower bills without lifting a finger, literally. It works in perfect harmony with Ecobee Smart Security, keeping your home efficient, safe, and wallet-friendly. It's like having a mini home assistant ensuring you never overpay for heating or cooling again. Efficiency meets intelligence, and your bank account will thank you. Hate complicated installations? Good news, you don't need tools, screws, or an engineering degree. Just place your SmartSensor on a shelf, stick it on a wall, or use its sleek magnetic stand. It's up and running in seconds. It connects wirelessly to your Ecobee thermostat up to 60 feet away, even through walls and floors. The battery? It lasts up to 5 years, so you can set it and forget it. Simple, seamless, and smart, just how tech should be. More than just a temperature wizard, SmartSensor is also your home's watchful protector. When paired with Ecobee Smart Security, it detects unexpected movement and sends instant alerts to your phone. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just in another room, you'll always know what's happening at home. Comfort and peace of mind, packed into one tiny, powerful device. Every home is different, and Ecobee SmartSensor scales to fit yours. Whether you need one in the nursery, home office, or basement, you can connect up to 32 sensors for ultimate comfort. Pets? No worries. SmartSensor knows the difference between your furry friend and an actual occupant. Accurate, reliable, and tech-tested, this is the smart home upgrade you didn't know you needed, but won't want to live without. Ready to ditch outdated thermostats and upgrade to a truly smart home? Click Add to Cart now and feel the difference.